Hello everyone, it's Friday, May 8th. It's 8:11 Eastern Standard Time. It's about 2 p.m. my local time. The markets are closed, and I just wanted to do a recap of the systems that traded automated today. And not every trade's a winner. We have losers, not afraid to show them. There's something to be learned from every strategy or chart that has a losing trade. On this one here, it started trading at 9. The start time was 9:49, and it again, in trying to keep loose enough trailing stops to get the big move, there was actually nearly $300 in this trade down to here. So had I started trailing a stop at 300, I would have maybe got stopped out here. Maybe there would have been another trade, but the trend to the upside was so strong. It's quite possible you could have hit your goal going short only. I had this check short only, so that's one of the reasons that this chart didn't work out. Okay, this is the ES on a 987 tick chart, and this is generally a pretty good performer. This is using the open range filter, and there was a couple of small losers here, and then we went short just below the open, and it was stopped out here, and then we went long and it got stopped out below. So this just had bad luck. Just wasn't in the right entry for the market, because when the market finally did rally to the upside here in earnest above the open, it was stopped out for the day. Okay, this is a time frame I haven't traded too much, but this is a 100 Heikin-Ashi tick. It's a little smaller than the 150. We had a small loser here, and then a couple of whipsaws, and ended up being stopped out. Had my stop been a little bit bigger here, this might have turned into something. But the stop on this is it's pretty large, 125. So this just got stopped out. So this is a 500 tick with the open range filter, and the start time on this is 9:49. So this didn't work out here. This might have had too much of a look back to get filled right off the open here. That's probably why it didn't get filled short and catch this move. And it just didn't work out. Just like on the other charts, it got whipsawed and got stopped out, but that's why we have a loss limit. The max loss for the day was 490. Now here's a 500 tick chart, and this one starts trading at 9:37. So what a difference it makes, what time you start trading. So this one I had set to long only, and it quickly got into two nice long trades here and hit its goal in a matter of minutes. And so the trailing stop on this one at 70 ticks, I'm trailing by 0 bars, so it probably got stopped out here. So the thing is on these is you practice and you adjust your money management to maximize. If you were going to be trading completely automated, you experiment with settings and you improve your money management so that when you have moves, there's a balance between setting your stop too tight or too loose. It depends on what kind of trader you are. But you can dial in a fully automated chart and find something that works. It's just that, you have to invest some time in it. So this was pretty good. It hit its goal in 2 trades. Okay, here's another 500 tick chart. It looks like it had practically the same trades, but this starts trading at 9:30 at the open. And same money management except for a limit order with a 4 tick pullback. I think the other chart was limit order at the close of the bar. So very similar performance here. As you can see, this one didn't have to go as long, but this one hit its goal. Okay, the Superenko 8 tick, trading 2 contracts, limit order 6 tick pullback, 750 goal. This one starts trading at 9:30. So this one did catch that short. Well, actually, not this one. it didn't catch it till here, and it is being also filtered by the adaptive moving average. So I'm guessing that on these other trades, it didn't get a 6-tick pullback until here. Okay, the NASDAQ on a 987 Heikin-Ashi chart had a loser to start, but this only drew down about $125, and this is a 20-tick pullback. So on this one, there was a long trade right after this, and you can see the fills here, the exit, and then it pulled back and got filled. This is a limit order with a 20-tick pullback, and really no trail stops. I'm just trying to give it room to run, and it basically hit its target right up here. Okay, so this is a chart that I traded manually. Well, I let the auto trader trade, but I drew this line of demarcation here, this trend line, and I originally set this to go short only at the break of this level here, and it started to go my way, but then it looked like this was the bottom before the market rallied into the close, and it was. And so when this broke back out, I immediately switched to longs only and let the auto trader trade. And here's what happened. We had a winner here and then a loser, and then ultimately what happened was it actually went long here, got stopped out. There was a couple of little losers here, but then it went long again and rode all the way up to 15 minutes before the close and hit its goal. So this is a 150 volume chart. Okay, so this is another 150 tick chart, which I set to start trading at 5 minutes to 1, and that was really good timing because it got in a trade right after 2 p.m., about 10 minutes after. This was that same bottom where it kind of broke down here and then quickly reversed. And on this chart, it's got a much nicer trend, this break up here, no red bars. And so the first trade was worth 360, and then there was a couple of whipsaws, brought it down to 200, and then it went long again, stayed with the trend, and hit its goal. That's all for today's video. If you want to find out more about the auto trader, please feel free to give me a call or visit our website at bluewavetrading.com.